Good morning. Lesson number 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. Let's start with another topic, that is view of 3D shapes. Now, what is view of 3D shapes? A 3D object can look differently from different positions, so it can be drawn from different perspectives. That is, different views you can see. That is, if you see any 3D object, as it is three dimensional, we get another type of shapes. Here you can see, say only the whatever portion is seen from that position, that only we can view. Yes, that is called that if we look at a 3D object from different positions, its view will be different. In this chapter we will see three different views, that is front view, side view and top view. For example, you can see a matchbox is given and its three views are given. Now if you look the matchbox from upside, you can see the matchbox lying. Here you can see the matchbox, it is in a flat position. So when you look from the upside, this upside, that is top side view, here you can say top view. So when we look from up, that is top view, we can only see the rectangular face with some thing printed on it or painted on it. That is your top view. Then when we look the matchbox from side part, you can see this side, yeah, that side, any of one side you can take, either right hand side or left hand side. So here it is inside, so it is given side view. So when we look at it, we can see only that part which we are using to lit the matchstick. That part only we can see. Similarly, when we look at the matchbox from front part, here from there, that view is called front view, and you can see in the figure that when we look from the front, we only see that part of the matchbox which we are taking out and putting inside for taking out a matchstick. So from different positions, the matchbox is seen different. That is, you can see from the top view, we can see only the printed part of the matchbox. From side, that is side view, we can see only the part which is we use for lighting the matchstick, and from front view we can see only that part which we use to take out and put inside the matchstick to box removal. Here again another example is given, that we have joined 4 cubes. Now when we are joining the 4 cubes in such way, you can see the top view. This is the top view. Yes, top view we can see 4 square faces of 4 boxes. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 square faces of 4 cubes we can see. Similarly, when we see the side view here, when we look from side part, we can see 2 square faces of 2 cubes. That is, one this we can see and one of the backside cube box. That is, here you can notice it, that these 2 square faces we can see from the side view. And then third is your front view. You can see that from front, when we see, here it is given, we can see these 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 squares faces of 3 cubes we can see from front. So from different positions we see differently to a given solid object. Next we can see also an example of a dice. Now dice, you can see top view in top view we can see two dots. Here is the top view, we can only see these two dots square. From front view, that is front view is, you can see these three dots. Yes, three dots square we can see. And the side view we can see a square with a one dot. So these are the different views of a solid shape. Again you can see one car is given in the example. So what would be its top view, side view and front view? Let's see in another figure. Here it is given. You can see that, see, if we look at the side, you already have seen cars. When we see the car from the side, here as it is standing, you can see the part which is made up of, which we are using with the door side. So both the doors are seen from the side view. Here you can see the side view with two doors. Then here also you can see the same thing, it is there. Side view we can see the two doors. Now another, then if you look the car from the front side, that is the where the engine part of the car. Here you can see in the figure, this is the front side engine part. Here also you can see the front view is consisting of the engine part. And then the top view. If you look the car from the top, that is from upside. Suppose you are standing in some balcony on the first floor or second floor and then watching the car. Only you can see the up part of the car. That is, you can see this up part is made up of roof of the car, you can say. So here you can see the roof of the car. These are the different views of a 3D object, your 3D shapes. Let's take another example. Here you can see a solid shape is made up out of 6 cubes. Now these 6 cubes, you can see solid shape made up of 6 cubes. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to it is 5 and this is 6. So 6 cubes are used to make these solid shapes. Now from these 6 cubes, if we see, it is arranged in different way. So when we see, let us see what is the front view, side view and top view of it. Let's first see the top view. When we see from the top, here from up, when we see, we can see only these 4 red colored faces of 6 cubes. Yes, so these 4 faces you can see already it is arranged. Here it is seen these 4 faces, 1, 2, 3 and 4 red colored. So this is the top view. Then if we talk about front view, front it is given here, this side is given front here. So we will take this as front because you can see a man also standing in front of it. So this is the front view. So front view, if we talk, we can see this blue face, this blue part of another cube, this blue part of third cube and this blue part of fourth cube. That is, we can see 4 blue squares of the given cube. Here you can notice is that 4 square shapes of blue square shapes of cubes are given. And next is our side view. Now you can see from side, we can see yellow face, this yellow face, this yellow face, this yellow face, this yellow face and this yellow face. That is 5 yellow faces can be seen, which is given here next to it. So this is the side view of the given solid shape. Now let's solve the exercises. So exercise 10.1, question number 1. For each of the given solid, the 2 views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding front and top views. In the question, first line is of solid shapes are given. Solid objects are given. And another 2, top view and front view is given. And you have to match the front view and top view of the given solid object. Only you have to match. So students, please solve this question in textbook itself. Now question number 1, already it is given a bottle. Now what would be the front view? That is already done in the textbook. So this is your front view of the, this is the front view. So you can see this is the front view of the bottle, and similarly this is the top view. Top view we can only see the bottle cap. Next, a way is given. You can see if you look the way from the front part, we can only see the, because way is a hexagonal shape, and we can only see the 3 parts of that. So here you can match with front view, and if you talk from the top we can see the hexagonal shape with the circle in between. You can see here, that is, here is the line of hexagon. Yes. Then we have water bottle. You can see water bottle here, it is the front view, and from top if we see, we can see only the cover of the bottle here, top opening part of the water bottle. Then we have cup saucer. You can see that front it seems like that only, like the cup saucer, and from top if we see, we can see the plate and some part of cup. Yes. Then next we are having another, you can say any type shape of bottle. So if we match, you can see the front part is same as the given bottle, and front top we can see, because the shape of the bottle is in such a way, so rectangular with the cap in the circle part. So here is the top view. You have to match in the textbook only this question. Now question number 2. For each of the given solid, the 3 views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. Now solid shapes are given, solid objects are given, and with in front of that 3 views are also given. Top, front and side view is given. We have to identify which one is top view, which one is front view, and which one is side view. So the first, you can see a cupboard. Now in cupboard, when first figure is you can see in the figure this is given front, so we will write it as front part. Then next figure, you can see a rectangular part, long rectangular part given, that is, you can see in the figure this is side view, so we will write it as side view. And the third is a small rectangular, that is your top view. Yes. So you have to only write front view, side view and top view below the given figure in the textbook itself. Question number 1 and 2 you have to solve in textbook. Next, there is again matchbox. You can see that lighting part I already explained ahead, that this lighting part is side view, so we'll write as side. Then next, that is the, you can reopen the box, matchbox, that part that is given as front. Here this is your front, so we have written here front. And the third, that is any printed thing on the matchbox, that is your top view. Here you can see the top view, so we write here as top. Yes. Next is the TV. You can say television. You can see that front is, here you can see that this is the front part, that is the screen is given as the front part. Then so we have written in the below the screen part front. Then we have side. From side if you look, this is the side view, actually they looking, but they have given this side. So whatever side you see, you can see one whole type part where we can carry the television, that part is seen, so that is the side view. And the third is your top. From top if you see, you can see the television shape in this way. So first figure given is front view, second is side view, and third is top view. Next, a car is given. Again I have explained the car, then also once again you can see the first is given this front part, so we have written it as front view. Second is given the 2 doors port, that is the side view, so we have written is side. And third, it is, you can look the up part of the car, so we have given is as top view. Yes. Question number 1 and 2 solve in textbook itself. Next, question number 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. This is the same question like question number 2, but there solid objects were given. Here solids made up of cube are given. Now number 1, you can see a solid made up out of 3 cubes are given. So the first view given, that is top view. You can see the 3 square faces of, here from top you can see 3 square faces of only, so this is the top view. Then we have 2 square faces, you can see this is 2 square faces given, so 2 square faces, that is either front or side view. So you can write front view first, and then again on the 2 square faces you can write side view. So both are same, so whatever you are writing here front and here side, yes, yeah, first side and then front will also do. Next, solid is given made up out of 4 cubes. Now it is arranged in this way. So for 4 cubes, first is given 2 square faces of the cubes are given. Now you can see from when we look from the side part, we can see this 1 square face and this 1 square face. So this is a side view. Second is given 3 square faces of cubes are given. So you can see that when we look from front part, here when we look we can see 1, 2 and these 3 squares. So this is your front shape. Then third view is given, you can see that is 4 square faces of the cube are seen. So we can see from top, when we look this we can see 1, back side, 3 and 4. So that is the top view. Similarly, we have to solve all the questions by recognizing the number of square faces of the number of given cubes. Third, you can see again made up out of 4 cubes. Now first, in first view 2 square faces are given, and we can see that 2 square faces are seen from the top side only. Top side you can see 1 and these 2 square faces you can see. So this is the top view. Then next is 3 square faces. Now 3 square faces you can see from the side view. Here you can see 1, then this 2 and then down 1 face, that is 3. So that is side view. And the next one, that is given 4 square faces are given. You can see here from the front side we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is the front view. Next question, 4 cubes again are used, but they are used in different way. So again first view is given with 2 square faces. Now you can see that from side view is there, because when we look at the side, these see 1 and 2, these 2 faces we can see. So the first is side view. Then we have 4 square faces. Now 4 square faces, that is from front we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is the front view. And then next you can see 3 square faces that we can view from top. Here you can see 1 face, 2 face and this is the third face. So this is the top view. Yes. Next, again 4 cubes are used. So first view it is given 3 square faces are given. Now 3 square faces you can see from front side. You see 1, 2 face, up 1 actually, and this and below this. These 3 faces we can see from front side. So this is your front view. Then next again 3 square faces are given. So you can see that it is a top view, because when we look at the from this top side you can see this face and one face behind. That is three faces. So this is the top view. And third, again you can see the three square faces arranged in different way. All the three square faces are arranged in different way, so you have to watch it carefully. Then so side two square faces below and one above it. So here we can see in the side view these two, one above another, and this one like this. Yes, so this is your side view. Next, question number 4. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. Here in the question, some objects are already shown with already the marking of top, front and side view. So using that, you have to draw the top view, front view and side view of the given objects. So dear students, question number 3 and 4 you will do in our regular CW book. Now, first you draw the question figure. This figure we have to solve now. First is the given, you can say a military tent is given this. Now let's see the front view, side view and top view of it. You can see, if we look from the front side, you can see the tent triangular part only. So we have drawn a triangle. When you look from the side, that is side view, you can see only a rectangular shape which you can draw as a parallelogram. Here you can see that this is your triangular part, that is front view. Your rectangular part, that is in the shape of parallelogram, that is your side view. And if you talk about the top view, you can draw the roof. You can draw two parallelograms in a slanting two parallelograms, that is your top view. Next is given a table. Again for table, when you look from the front side as given in the figure, you can see only the two legs of the table. Similarly, when you look from the side, again as given in the figure, you can see only two legs. And when we look the table from the top part, that is top view, you can see the rectangular part of the table. Then comes a way. Again way, front view you can see three, as way is made up of hexagonal shape. You can see only three rectangular parts of the hexagon. So we have taken here three parts as front view. Side view, only you can take one rectangular part of the hexagonal, that is we have taken this. And from top, if you see the way, all the way will be shaped, so seen in a hexagonal shape. So this is your top view, because way is like this only, inside also some design is there, so you can see a hexagon in a beautiful way. Yes. Then next figure, again you see the front view, you can see a hexagonal part. Side you can see a triangular part only. And if you take a top view, you can see the, actually it is given a hexagonal prism is given. Yes, so this hexagonal prism, if you take this hexagonal prism from front, you can see the hexagonal part of the prism. And from side you can see one of the hexagonal rectangular, that is lateral side you can see. And when you see from the top, again one of the lateral part is seen, and somewhat lateral part of another another lateral part of hexagonal you can see. So you will draw in this way. So this is the front view, side view and top view of hexagonal prism. Then we have a die. Again already the top, front and side view are mentioned there. So when we look from the front side, we can see a die with three dots. Then When we look from the side, that is side view, we can see only one dot part, and top view we can see two dot part. Then a solid shape is given, made up out of 3 cubes. So when we look front view, we can see in this way arranged. This is your side view and this is your top view. So question number 3 and 4, you have to draw the questions, and then below it all the 3 views you will draw separately. Dear students, copy all these as per instructions in CW. Thank you.